This is the Potensic Atom, and in today's video I'll show how you can change the signal lost action in this drone. So to start, launch the camera view of the Potensic Pro app on your phone. Then inside the camera view, obviously make sure that everything is powered on and interconnected. Open settings, select the safety section here, and if you'll scroll down a little bit, you'll find the signal lost action, which you can switch between return, land, or hover at the point in the space that it has lost the signal. And while you are switching those modes, you can also switch this little preference here. For return, it is when signal lost, the drone descends to 400 feet, 120 meters to return. For the landing action, it will not return, obviously, and for the hovering action, it is the same, as you can see. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.